Welcome to our Power BI Masterclass. We are a community of authors who share daily Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks, guides and much more. Subscribe to our channel to get our free content. Today we're covering 5 of the most common DAX mistakes, and more importantly how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting or already building reports, these tips will save you time and frustration. Mistake number 1. Measures must return a scalar value. That means your DAX measure must return a single number, a single piece of text, or a true/false result. This formula will throw an error because filter returns a table, not a single value. The solution is to wrap it inside an aggregation function like countrows to convert the table into a scalar. This now counts the rows in the filtered table, returning a single number. Mistake number 2. Measures aren't row-aware by default. Unlike Excel formulas, you can't directly reference a row inside a DAX measure. This works in a calculated column, but not in a measure because measures work on an aggregated context, not row by row. To simulate row by row behavior, use an iterator function like sumx. Sumx iterates over each row, checks the condition and then sums the ones and zeros. Mistake 3. Using the wrong column in your visuals or filters. Even if your DAX is correct, using a column from the wrong table can break your results. Example: you want to count days in a year using your calendar table, but you're dragging year from your sales table, not calendar. This can break filtering if relationships or directions aren't set properly. Always make sure you're using filter columns from the correct table, especially dimension tables like calendar or products. Drag your filter or visual columns from your calendar table to ensure relationships work properly. Mistake 4. Ignoring hidden sorting columns when you use remove filters or all. Example: you remove the month filter to show yearly sales per month, but your visual is still sorted by another column, like month index, which still applies a filter. Solution: always remove filters from both the column and its sort by column to fully clear the filter context. Mistake 5. Totals aren't always the sum of visible rows. Each total row in Power BI has its own filter context which might be broader than what you see. Example: you're showing max day sales by month. Each row looks fine, but the total at the bottom isn't the sum of those rows. Solution: create a virtual version of the visual using summarize, add columns, and sumx to aggregate what you see. This gives you a total that actually matches what you see in your visual. Let's recap the 5 common DAX mistakes. Measures must return scalars. Measures aren't row-aware. Use filter columns from the right table. Remove all related filters when needed. Totals are recalculated, not added up. Fixing these mistakes will level up your Power BI skills and make your reports more reliable. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Drop your questions in the comments. And until next time, may the Power BI be with you.